Wait, do that again? Flash the light on here again?
Yeah.
Through these noodles?
Through the noodles. Of course the Asian guy thinks they're noodles.
Yeah. Hey, they look like pho noodles. Oh, that looks so cool. This kind of reminds me of like Avatar.
Avatar? Yeah.
What'd you do, 800?
550.
Oh, you did 550?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound too bad, considering.
By yourself is bad.
That's true.
Yeah.
I sat in this garage. Just
Why didn't you poke and put it in as you go?
because there was a method to the madness. So
Oh, okay.
I poked, and then I ran the strand up that back corner.
Yeah.
And then I started the closest to that and kind of fanned my way out so you don't get everything all tangled.
Dang, so you actually had to count all 550 holes?
Yeah, we have to.
So you're like 1, 2,
I marked
3.
them.
Oh, Jesus.
And they're different sizes.
Nice.
And size. So you have large and small.
Mm-hmm.
And then these bundles.
3 sizes.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, really fine, like medium and small.
Yeah.
3 hours later. You won't believe it, we just finished up. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is actually Alex's truck. But this is what the finished product should look like. People call it Starlight, some people call it Rolls-Royce light. First, I wasn't sure if I liked it a lot. Now, like, I want to do it on my truck. My AT4 has black headliner. So I think black headliner will look really good with Starlights. Leave a comment below if you guys think I should do it too. I think we're all gonna end up doing it because Mondo's gonna do it. Matt might do his.
750, you think?
So we got our Sharpies to mark everything, and we're gonna use a drill to poke the holes because it works better than ice pick.
It does and it doesn't. So the ice pick problem is, one is the ice pick, you gotta put a lot of force on it to get it through this like cardboard, fiber, whatever this is, backer. But the problem is when it gets to the other side, because it pushes the cloth out, and it'll leave like the cloth a little bit messed up. So what I saw in doing the research before we did this was a lot of people who did a lot of these were using drill bits. Now, the drawback to a drill bit is if you don't have sharp bits, the bit may catch, and if it catches in the cloth, it's obviously going to try to tear the cloth, and the drill bit might break off in the headliner, which is not that big a deal. We can pull it out, but trying our best not to damage it.
Right.
I guess one of the things is not to put a lot of pressure, let the drill do the work, because a lot of the time we always want to push down on a drill. But in this case, it's just cardboard and cloth. It should just slide like butter through it as long as it's spinning. But before we do that, we got to mark 800 spots. We're trying to figure out the main harness. The kit said 800, but there's 50. There's 2 light engines, so that's light engine number 1.
Whoa, this one?
Nope. This one back here, the big one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So this is the main light engine for all the twinkle stars right here and stuff in it. This is the multicolor change. The secondary light engine is right here.
Ah, that's for the star.
So this is shooting stars. So you have 10 different outputs. Each one of these is 10 by, each bundle has 5. So there's 50 more there. So total it's supposed to be 100. We can't figure out, is it 850 more or is it 750 and then those 50 make 800? But they didn't really clarify that part. So anyway, either way we got to mark 800 holes, which is still the thing. And if we have some extras, we just poke a few more holes and go. Just randomly start randomly start like marking out a bunch of spots on here, which is gonna be fun because the headliner is kind of gray on the back.
Are you counting?
No.
Why are you not
Because
counting?
I'm fucking talking.
He's just like marking holes.
Yeah. All right. So I know you were talking about not putting them under the visor, and the only reason that I may put them under the visor is because we have so freaking many.
Yeah, that's true.
But all right, so here we go. I'm gonna count. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think I counted 20.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
59, 60, 61, 62, 63,
300.
That's
Yeah,
300?
I was getting a number. Yeah. I was like, oh.
So we were doing what? 350 per half?
Yeah, but he has some of his are up there. So
Okay.
Yeah. So if I just did this whole section and did 100 holes here, that would be okay, right?
Should be.
So I'm gonna count 100 from here to here.
and And then
My section.
200 right here. Because how many you got in that section up there? Right now I got 300 between all of this.
I'm pretty sure this is only like 50.
Okay.
I mean, I can double check. But I don't know which one's my dot. Mondo's ready to shop at Hollister. Isn't that right with that headlamp?
I don't get it.
You've never been to Hollister?
Yeah.
It's like dark as hell in there?
Jesus. I thought it was a Mexican.
Yeah, it is.
No. I've always...
My guy thinks it's a Mexican joke.
If you would have said our apostle, then yeah.
Hey, watch out.
That's where all the Mexicans go.
Is this like... Oh, no, this is another one. Hey, hold on. Don't grab that. Oh, watch out.
Xander, we need to teach you how to make
Grill lights?
wheel lights.
Oh.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I
Status update. I think we've done about, what, 350 to 400?
No.
No, we're at
6.
600?
Or 7.
Yeah, because this is the 800 kit. So that looks really cool. And then Alex is trimming already on this side, so yeah, look at that. All right, so we got all 750 of the Starlights finished. Now what we're working on is the shooting stars.
I'm pretty sure it's closer to
800?
800.
Yeah,
We were like
800 and a star.
and the star.
it's 800 plus shooting stars.
I think so.
It should be 850
Okay.
total.
So we got 800 regular Starlights all finished up. There's a couple of them that we need to cut, but we're waiting for the hot glue to settle and cool. And then, like I said, we're doing 4 shooting stars, 5 shooting stars, and then we'll show you guys the finished product in about 30 minutes.
So, coming out, it was tight.
Yeah.
Going in, it's gonna be tighter.
That's what she said.
Your side goes up. On the door. Wait. No, your side goes down.
Yeah, you don't have to go through like that.
What you need?
Get these blue clips out real quick because they both stayed in the roof.
Alright, so Alex is routing the Starlights now through the little pillar in the back. And we are working on putting the headliner back onto the truck. Here's how it looks.
Honestly, I gotta get a better plastic pry tool.
You got what?
A better pry tool for that clip.
Do you think this truck has more room than yours to work with, or was it just as pain in the ass
Yeah.
as yours?
Yep.
And you took your headliner out too.
Mm-hmm.
But if you were to do it again, would you just do it in your truck?
No.
No, you still take it out?
Mm-hmm. All right, so I got it routed to the pillar.
All right.
So I can put this C pillar back on now.
Ooh, ah.
Yeah, but where's this one go?
So that is about to be the Starlights.
That one's right there, barely.
Starlights.
You don't see those down in Mexico.
So that is the projector. That's where the fiber optic cable goes through, and then and then all the light travels through, and that's what causes the twinkle. All right, well, here is the finished product. This is set at white. You can do blue, green, red. You know, you can also do like orange. You can see the shooting stars. You can do fade. You can do different patterns. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I like this one. So yeah, this took a good bit of time and a lot of work, but when you're done with it, it looks pretty cool. I think it's got all of us convinced. I think we're all gonna be doing a Starlight headliner pretty soon after SEMA.
Like, comment, and subscribe.